Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another Luvmehair wig install. You guys know Luvmehair is one of my favorite wig companies ever. Do be sure that when you're ordering from the correct Luvme site. A lot of people are like, my hair doesn't look like that, and maybe you didn't order from the correct Luvmehair website. So do be sure to click the link in my description because it's going to be the correct Luvmehair website. I do want you to know that I bleached these knots. These knots already came bleached, but I'm always re-bleaching knots no matter if they say they came bleached or whatever. I did not pluck this hairline. I'm gonna just quickly zoom in for you guys because this is their 4C edges, little curly edges. So pretty. It is glueless. This is what the side is looking like. I didn't cut the baby hairs any shorter, but you definitely could if you know, wanted to. You could definitely cut the baby hair shorter if you wanted to, but I just kept them long. You guys, this hair is gorgeous. When I say this is going to be my new like everyday go-to throw on hair, gorgeous. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So we're back with another wig install from Luvmehair. This is going to be another one of their 4C edge wigs. It's such a tongue twister, but this is what the hair is looking like. As you guys can see, these are what the edges look like. What I did was I washed it and then I added some product in it because I wanted this hair install to be so bomb. Just look at the inside cap construction. It's one of those melty laces, and then it did come with one of these. So this is just a better way to make your wig feel a little more secure on your head in case you want to do glueless, because I think I want this wig to be completely glueless. So I'm just gonna attach it. It just attaches just like a bra. Like I said, I'm going for glueless. Let me just zoom you in. And can you guys see how melty the lace is? The lace is super melty. It is a frontal. Okay, so it looks really good. I probably won't have it so low on my hairline, but so far it's cute. I gotta make a TikTok, but it's cute. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just simply take the wig off my hair, push the baby hairs back like this, and then I'm going to just cut. Okay, we're gonna just cut it off. Don't think about it. Don't make it too difficult because I know a lot of women are afraid to cut the lace off the wig. Just do it. So I just cut off the band and we're going to apply it together. So I just cut off, I just pushed the baby hairs back and cut it off. This is cute. For yourself, if you wanted to glue it down, you have that option. Don't think that you don't. But I wanted to show you guys how easy it is. Just look at the hairline. It's beautiful. Or even if you just wanted to spray down for security, but I don't feel like this wig is going anywhere. So this is what the wig looks like, just straight on my head. I did not cut any of the baby hairs off. I want to leave them as long as possible just because I'm gonna have them kind of cover my edges in case the wind blows back. The baby hairs will cover it. To me, it looks really gorgeous. So here you guys see it in comparison to my actual hairline. To me, it looks really good. It's giving nice, it's giving natural, it's giving an everyday wig that I will be wearing. It's super comfortable. A lot of people ask me, how do I manage to make glueless wigs stay on my head all day? And I just tighten the strap as tight as I can get it. It's not uncomfortable or anything like that because I don't sleep in wigs. I want you guys to know I absolutely don't sleep in wigs, but I love this. When I was washing it, because I don't know if I failed to mention to you guys that I did bleach the knots, but I always bleach the knots, but they did come pre-bleached, but I just always go on ahead and give myself another bleach. But it's got a deep hairline and it's got frontal space, so if you want to wear a part to the side, you definitely can. But this is what the wig looks like air dried with product, because a lot of the reviews I saw, the ladies kept the hair like super poofy, and I'm just like, oh my god, I actually want to see what the hair looks like with product in, and it's gorgeous. So what I'm gonna do is just take my hands and finger comb my hair and just begin making the hair a little bigger. I don't want to lose the shape of my curl, but I do want my hair, you know, like when it's air dried overnight, you know that feeling. It just kind of sticks together. So I just want to give it a little. This hair is so gorgeous. Oh my god, Luvmehair does it for me every time. Oh my goodness. And if you guys are wondering how I got these curls, I just washed the hair. I did bleach the knots. I washed the hair, and then I took a detangling brush, put a bunch of product in it, and just held that detangling brush through the hair. If you guys want to see like a little video, I can do it for you. Oh my god. This is gorgeous. Oh my god. See guys, this is what the hair looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it in conjunction to my background. Why am I saying conjunction? Conjunction, junction, what's your function? But I love it. I knew that I was gonna love it. Like when I seen this wig pop up on their website, I was like, I have to have this wig because the other 4C hair that I got, it was gorgeous. It had like some honey blonde streaks, but I wanted like kinky curly everywhere. Like this is gorgeous. The texture of the curls are so beautiful. I don't know if it's gonna tangle, but with curly hair, the minimal work, the better. Like the fact that I'm going to be wearing this glueless, it's going to take shape and keep its shape for a long time. I'm going to have this wig for a long time because I do minimal work. Like I want you guys to know when the wig is not growing out of your scalp, the minimal, the better. And when I say this wig is everything, this wig, you guys, is really doing it for me. So I absolutely love it. You guys are going to see it all over my TikTok. Do be sure to follow me over on TikTok. I have a quick wig install over there. But yeah, bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.